Shares of Bath & Body Works are trading at $45.19, and they are up over 22% this past 6 months. Zooming out on the chart, you can see that this stock has seen a couple massive bull runs over the decade, and it looks like it might be on another. In terms of fundamentals, BBWI has beat all 4 of its last earnings calls, which is fantastic. Their probability of bankruptcy is good at 6%, but that doesn't match up with their debt to equity. Their debt to equity is negative, which means they have more long-term liabilities than they do assets, and that is a typical indicator of financial distress, which is not great. They do offer a small dividend at 1.77%, and in terms of both revenue and net income, they were both seeing good growth in 2020 and 2021, but have seemed to stall out since then. The average one-year analyst price forecast for BBWI is $50.43, which is 12% higher than where it trades today, with a high estimate of $54 and a low of $45. Bath & Body Works' current price-to-sales ratio is 2.58, which is a lot higher than the specialty retail sector average of 0.76, and is a little high given their historical average. For January 30th, 2027, BBWI is expected to earn a revenue of $8.06 billion, which works out to a revenue per share of $35.67. And taking a look at their price-to-sales history, I think we can expect it to fall just a little bit to around $215 for January 2027, which would result in a share price of $76.70, which is a 70% upside. So with that much projected revenue creating a huge upside, it's not hard to like Bath & Body Works and everything it's got going on, but just having those long-term liabilities be more than the long-term assets, they really got to correct that and bring the debt to equity back into the positive before I would even consider picking up shares, even if they continue to beat those earnings estimates. So be careful, but it does have some good value there. Anyways, that's all I have for you today on Bath & Body Works. Please drop a like, leave a comment, and I will see you next video.